With this question, let me teach you a very simple trick you can use in answering question on refractive index. So the question says that the speed of light in air is 3 times 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. The speed of light in air. This is V subscript A. This V here represents the speed, and then A here represents air. So it is 3 times 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. If the refractive index of water, this is the symbol for refractive index of water, is 4/3, the speed of light in water is dash. The speed of light in water, it is dash. So now the formula we are going to be using for refractive index goes this way. Refractive index of water. In the refraction, light travels from one medium to another medium. Light travels from one medium to another medium, and when you have light traveling from one medium to another medium, there's going to be a change in the speed. So the speed of light in air is different from the speed of light in water. Same thing with the wavelength. The wavelength in air and that of the water will be different. So like I said, under refraction we are going to be having two separate medium. In this case we have air, we also have water, but we are being given the refractive index of water. What does this tell us? This tells us that the movement now is from air to water. Let's say, for example, let's say we have that of glass to be, let's say, 3 now, and then we have that of water to be 4, and you are being given the refractive index of water. What this means is that the movement is from glass to water. That is it. That's a simple trick now. So here now we are given that of water. That's the refractive index. So another medium we have here aside water is air. So this shows that the movement is from air to water. So since there's going to be change in the speed, we are going to have this now to be speed of light in air over speed of light in water. So A comes first. That's why I mean VA over VW. So in this case now, let's say it is glass to water. I'm going to have VG over VW, that of the glass to that of water. I believe you understand. So now let's get this answered. The refractive index of water. This is not known to be the refractive index of air. Refractive index of water, but it shows that it is moving from air. That is the meaning. So here is 4/3, and then the VA is 3 times 10 raised to power 8 over VW, which is unknown. So if we decide to cross multiply, 4 multiplied by VW give us 4VW. Then 3 multiplied by this, that is 3 multiplied by 3 times 10 raised to power 8. So we are looking for the speed of light in water, which is VW. So divide both sides by 4. So 4 here, we cancel this 4. We are left with VW equals to 3 multiplied by 3 times 10 raised to power 8 over 4. And 3 times 3 here will give us 9. That's 9. Then what do we have left? There's 10 raised to power 8 divided by 4. So if I have 9 divided by 4, the answer there should be, if you punch your calculator, the answer there should be 2.25. Then what do you have left? There's 10 raised to power 8, and the unit of speed is meter per second. So the answer there is 2.25 times 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. So like I said, lot of students, they make mistakes when they have questions like this. But I believe, having watched through to the end, you can answer any question regarding refractive index. See you in the next class. Bye.